Okay, all right. So this session we are going to see about how to configure or how to block a particular network without using an ACL. So we are not going to use ACL or prefix list or any sort of things, but we are going to block a particular network or a particular host. There is an alternate method for that. We are going to look into that. So this is the topology that I'm going to explain for that blocking of a particular network without an ACL. Okay, let me explain a brief or short intro about that. So it can be done, block without an ACL can be done with the help of a static route, pointing any network towards an NULL0 interface. Whatever the network or a host, if you want to block, you can also use with the help of a static route. If you are giving this information with the static route means the next stop should be the NULL0. If that whatever the information in order to reach a particular destination, it will be dropped. So in order to give you a clear example about this, let's consider this topology. Here I am having 1.10, 1.20. This is a 1.0/24 network, and here it's 2.0/24. If I want to block 2.20 alone, let's consider 192.168, 2.20. It's a subnet. I want to block only this network. What I need to do is I need to write a static route from where I need to block. Okay, the next stop should be NULL0 for this network, for this host or network. If I point to the next stop should be as a NULL0, then this will be dropped. It will not be reachable. So that's it. So this is one of the simplest way of configuring that. So let me have some practical implementation of that. So this is the topology that we are going to use. And okay, so first thing, okay, these are all the IP address for that. It's 192.168.1.1 for 0/0 interface and 12.1 for this. This is the routing table, and I am already running AHRP routing protocol in order to reach that particular destination. Okay, let me have a quick ping whether we can able to reach those network. Okay, ping 192.168.2.10. 2.10 is nothing but this network, 2.10 and 2.20. 2.10. Okay, I'm trying to reach this network. That means I'm trying to reach from this computer, from here to via R1, R2 and to this switch. Okay, so this is what I'm going to try to reach. It's reachable. Now I need to block this particular host. Let's consider I need to block 2.10 over here. I'm going to enable show IP route. Okay, so the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a static route. To make it clear for you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a continuous ping for this, so that as soon as I have written a static route, what is the response that has been getting for the reachability you can able to see. Okay, IP route 192.168. What is the IP? It's 2.10, 2.10, 255, 255, 255.255. I'm going to block only those particular network. That is a 2.10 is alone blocked, not 2.20. NULL0. Okay, I'm going to click enter. Yeah, it's done. You can see now the destination is not reachable. Okay, so but at the same time we can check 2.20. 2.20 is reachable. Okay, let's check for 2.10 again. 2.10 is not reachable. If I remove the route again, it's reachable. So in this way you can able to block any particular network or a host from where you need to block. In this case I'm using R1 as my source. I need to block this network particular host from R1, so I am configuring it on R1. So in the similar way you can do wherever you want, but be sure if you are blocking on this network router, if there are n number of routers behind this, all the networks will not able to reach a particular network. So it's better to block it at end point, that is at the last end of the locations. You can able to block this network if you need. So that's it about configuring a NULL0 interface. If you have any queries or questions regarding this, you can just give a comment. That's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.